Hello everyone, welcome back to another wonderful video. So guys, like they say, ignorance is a disease. Yes, we need to be informed at all times, okay? Currently on YouTube, a lot has been going on. A whole lot has been going on currently. So many people have been falling victim to fraudsters, okay? Now, if we are not informed, we will keep falling victim to those fraudsters, okay? So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling us what to do in order to protect our channels, okay? So make sure you watch this video till the end and do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel to keep getting more updates like this. Now, what is the thing that is going on, okay? The actual thing going on is that these people, after you upload your videos, they go over to your channel, they download your videos and actually upload it in their own channels. Then after uploading in their own channels, they will go as far as reporting your channel to YouTube as being the one that is copywriting their contents. How bad is it? That is too bad, okay? Very, very bad. So guys, right now we're going over to the YouTube studio. Let me show you what you need to do to start protecting your channel and prevent yourself from falling victim to these fraudsters, okay? So let's go there. So guys, we'll go over to Google. Once you open your Google, you're going to be typing studio.youtube.com, okay? Once you type it, you click on it. It will lead you directly to the YouTube studio because I'm already a regular visitor there, okay? So once you get to the YouTube studio, you move over to the left side of the studio. You're going to be clicking on this icon that looks like a flower. Yes. So once you click on it, we have two icons, the profile and the home tab, okay? So under this profile, we'll scroll down, keep scrolling. The very last thing you will see there. So you just keep scrolling, all right? Yes, so you will see video watermark, okay? Yeah, this is the video watermark. The video watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand section of the video player, all right? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be removing the initial one I have there, okay? So that you will see how to put yours, okay? So I'll click on remove right now, okay? Now, so as you can see, what we have is upload. They said an image that is 150 by 150 pixels is recommended, okay? So I'll click on my photo library. Once I click on my photo library, my gallery will come out. I'll choose the first one, okay? Then I'll click on done. Once you click on done, it has entered, as you can see. So I'll shift to the right side. Yep, I'm trying to shift now. Yes, so here you will see cancel and done. So you're going to be clicking on done, okay? After clicking on done, the next thing you do is to select where you want it to be showing, end of video, from beginning till the end, or custom time. So once you have chosen this, as you can see from this display time, I chose entire video. So once you have chosen this, the next thing you'll do is to publish it, okay? So you will scroll to the top part of the video, of your studio, yeah, the top right. Then you click on publish. That's publish over there. So once you publish it, it's done and you have your watermark to protect your videos, okay? So guys, I believe you all have seen what you need to do on your channel to be free and safe from those fraudsters, okay? Do not play with what I just showed you, right? Make sure you practicalize this and save yourself from the stress of losing your channel or getting a copyright strike, okay? When in actual sense, you have been trying and doing all you can to grow your channel, all right? So guys, if you know you found this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and equally share this video so that more people can get to see this good news, all right? So guys, let's see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.